All right, so this Agentforce Specialist Self-Assessment Scorecard, there's been, uh, dare I say, a tremendous amount of interest on LinkedIn around this when I posted this scorecard. I'm still getting so many requests for this thing. And so you can get the scorecard. And let me show you how this thing works as well, because I haven't given this a proper demo. This is the Agentforce Specialist Exam Scorecard. I think this is version 45 that I'm on. And so the way that this works is I've dissected the exam guide. Back in the day, I would just create a PDF checklist for the admin exam, and that was downloaded, I think, hundreds of thousands of times. And this would be check it if you're comfortable with this topic or if not. And I would dissect the topics on an exam guide into individual line items. And so now this is a lot more interactive in nature, in that as you progress, you can signify how comfortable or not comfortable you are with these different topics. You can enter notes to yourself. And as you progress, you get your overall score and then also your knowledge area scores also. And so then you can click on the left here to go to the next section. And it also is measuring your percentages based on the weighting for each of these different knowledge areas. So as you fill these in, you'll see also some encouragement here. It's auto saving also. A lot of work has gone into this and a lot of help from AI, I might add. So a lot of this is built on React. I don't know how to code React, but fortunately now we live in an age where AI can do a lot of this for us, as long as we know what the end result is that we're after. And so you can go through, enter in these different values here. And the idea behind a scorecard and why I developed this is I see this phenomenon of students just rushing to take practice tests early and often. You fall into a trap of trivia-based learning and memorizing the questions and the answers. You don't learn the concepts. And then when you're hit with the actual exam and things aren't worded exactly what you memorized, you're not able to logic your way through what the questions are asking. And so a scorecard like this helps you to measure your conceptual comfort on these different concepts. And you can take this and do this over and over and over. It's not a one and done proposition. And you can also make notes to yourself and track your progress. And then you can also export this as a PDF. You can also get your personalized study plan based on your score. And so then if you've not completed everything, you can continue and get your plan, but it's also popping up, hey, here's a couple of areas that you haven't touched yet. So it might be a good idea for you to go ahead and measure those also. But if you want to be like, oh, well, I'm not comfortable with that topic at all, then you can just continue anyway, and it'll take you through to get your personalized game plan for your study. Okay. So depending on how you score, we've got different paths for you. So this is personalized towards the topics and areas that you're struggling with and those that you feel more comfortable with. And you can measure that over time, and that will adjust your path as you progress also.